So guys, hearing one more DSA video came on this channel, Array DSA. Okay, so I hope you are enjoying this series about of the DSA. I hope. Okay, I'm not sure, but I hope. Okay, so now let's move to computer screen and let's talk about one more part has been came and Array DSA of Array DSA. So now let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing about type of arrays. So there are many type of arrays. So let's come on our third topic by the name of type of arrays. There are majorly four type of arrays and by the name of fixed size array, dynamic size array, one dimensional array and multi-dimensional array. There are these four type of arrays, and in this video I'm not telling you all the majorly four type of array. We make a videos on it. Okay, we make a videos on it. Upcoming videos have been coming on the multi-dimensional array and these all the things. Now, classification of type of arrays. However, these arrays types can be broadly classified in two ways: on the basis of size, on the basis of dimensions. Table content. Classification of type of arrays. Type of arrays on the basis of size. First, it fixed the size array. Number two, it dynamic fixed dynamic size arrays. Number two, type of arrays on the basis of dimensions. First, one dimensional array and 1D arrays. Number two, two dimensional array means 2D array, three dimensional array. Type of arrays on the basis of size. First, fixed size array. So I know many people do not know what is the fixed size array. So let me explain him what is the fixed size array. So let's talk about it. We cannot alter or update the size of this array. Here are only a fixed size, for example the size that is mentioned in square brackets of memory will be allocated for storage in case we don't know the size of the array. Then if we declare a larger size and store a lesser number, if we declare a larger size means big size and then we store a lesser number of element, will result is a wastage of memory, or we declare a lesser size than the number of elements, then we don't get enough memory to store all elements. In such cases, static memory allocation is not preferred. C++, C, Java, Python and C Sharp. Method 1, create a fixed size array. Number 2, here the memory is allocated at the compile time, this one. And then another way, creation and initialization both. Method 2, to create a fixed size array. Here our memory is allocated at a runtime also. Number 3, no such dynamically allocated arrays. Dynamic size arrays. So number 2, dynamic size arrays. The size of the arrays changes as per user requirements during execution of code, so the coders do not have to worry about sizes. They can add and remove the elements as per the need. The memory is mostly dynamically allocated and deallocated in these arrays: C++, C, Java, Python, C Sharp and JavaScript. And these are the syntax. Type of arrays on basis of dimension. There are majorly three type of arrays on the basis of dimension. First, one dimensional array means 1D arrays. You can imagine a 1D arrays as a row where elements are stored one after another. Like in this diagram, here we create a one array. The 5, 10, 20, 25, 30, 35. 5, 10, 20, 25 and 30 and 35 are the element in the arrays, and then in the above of it we define 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the indexes of the index. 5 has index 0, 10 has index 1, 20 has index 2 and 3 of 25 has index 3, 30 has index 4 and 35 has index 5. This is one 1D array. The one diagram of the 1D array. Syntax for declaration of a single dimensional array. Now, below is the syntax to declare a single dimensional array. This one syntax where data type. Data type is a type of data of each array block. Number 2, array underscore name is the name of the array and it is using which we can refer to it. Then number 3, array underscore size. It is a one number of blocks of memory array going to have. For example, it is. Number 2, two-dimensional means 2D array. Multi-dimensional array can be considered as an array of arrays or as matrix consisting of rows and columns. Like in this arrays, we create 5, 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 1, 2, 1, 3, 4. So 0, 1, 2, this one columns. What? 0, 1, 2, these are the column. And in this side, 0, 1, 2. In this side, let me explain you. And in this side, these are row. What is these? These are row. These are row. These are row. Let me do the width like 5. Okay, and these are row. Okay. Now, syntax for declaration of two-dimensional array. And this is one example of a 2D array. This is called a 2D array. The column and then row. And here we create one array element. Syntax for declaration of two-dimensional array. Below is a syntax to declare the two-dimensional array and the one syntax where data underscore type is a type of data of each array block. Number 2, array underscore name is the name of the array and it's using which we can refer to it. Number 3, size of dimension is the array of blocks of memory array going to have it corresponding dimension. And this one example. Number 3, three-dimensional array. I told you about a two-dimensional array and one-dimensional array, 2D array, 1D array. Now number 3, three-dimensional array. A 3D dimensional array contains 3 dimensions. So it can be considered an array and an array of two-dimensional arrays. Like this one array, this is the first array, array 2 row call. And the array 2, there is coming like array 0 row call, column row. And in the row call, there is coming array 1 row call. This one the diagram of a 3D array. This is called a 3D array. Okay, this is called a 3D array. This all called a 3D array. This is called a 3D array. Okay. Syntax for declaration of three-dimensional array. Below is a syntax for the three-dimensional array. Here you can see the one example where data underscore type is a type of data of each array block. Number 2, array underscore name. Array underscore name is the name of the array using which we can refer to it. Number 3, size of dimension is the number of blocks of memory array going to have in corresponding dimension. And this one examples. Now, our this chapter has been also be ended by the name of dimensional arrays. Okay, type of arrays. So